Hey, how's it going? So I'm going to be going over area and finding the area of some basic geometric shapes. So first, what is area? So area is basically just the amount of square units that are enclosed by a perimeter. So for example, we got a perimeter here. An area is just the amount of square units that's inside of it. And the square units could be inches, feet, miles, kilometers, whatever. So each shape has a formula for finding the area of that shape. So our first shape is a square, and let's get into it. So the area of a square is equal to a side squared or side times side, since all the sides of a square are the same. So let's look at our practical example. So I got one side here that's 8 feet. So the area would just be 8 squared or 8 times 8. As we all know, 8 times 8 is going to be 64. So our area is 64 square feet, or feet squared. So let's look at it. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 times 8 is 64. If you took the time to pause the video and count all these squares, it'd be 64 mini squares inside of this square. That's basically just what area is, exactly. Alright, let's look at another shape. Alright, here we've got our rectangle. Area of a rectangle is going to be width times length, and for a rectangle, the length is your longest side and the width is your other side. So let's look at our practical example. So my length here is 15 feet, and then my width is 7 feet. So again, so that'd be 15 times 7. So 7 times 10 is 70. 7 times 5 is 35. 70 plus 35 is 105. So that's our answer. It's 105 feet squared. Alright, so 7 times 15 is going to be 105. And here's our answer. Alright. And this is the shape here is our triangle. And the formula for finding the area of a triangle is going to be 1/2 your base times your height. So the base is the bottom of your triangle, and of course the height, it's amount of units from the base to the top of it. So here, practical example. So let's find our area. So our base is 8 feet, so 1/2 of 8 is 4. So 4 times 7, it's going to be our area for this triangle, which is going to be 28 square feet. Alright. This shape here is our parallelogram. Alright. So the area is right, so the formula is right here for area. Base times height. Too easy, right? So right here, our base is 9 feet, and our height's 5 feet. So 9 times 5, we all know that, it's going to be 45 feet squared. So this is our area right here for this shape. Alright, whoops. Alright, our final shape here is our trapezium, or your trapezoid. And the formula for that is going to be area equals a plus b times our height divided by 2. So our a and our b are just our two parallel sides. It can be interchangeable. This could be a, this could be b. And they might try to trick you with, change the orientation. So this is our trapezoid. This is our a and b side right here. So it's always going to be your parallel sides, your a and b side. It will never be your sides here that will intersect eventually. So, alright. So right here, our practical example, 12 feet side A and 6 feet side B. 12 plus 6 is 18. Alright. And then 18 times 5. 10 times 5 is 50. 5 times 8 is 40. 40 plus 50 is going to be 90. So 90 feet squared. It's going to be our area for the trapezoid here. Hopefully this video was helpful. Thanks for watching.